Today my topic is here how your shoulder become flexible. We use this instrument. This is just normal outdoor exercise machines. So I will teach you 3 techniques how your shoulder become flexible and how your shoulder become as well as healthy also. Sometimes our shoulders cannot able to lift or our elbow also cannot able to straight. So how your elbow become straighten? This position. You see, when your elbow becomes straight, see your shoulder also become more flexible. And second thing is how your wrist become more flexible or wrist become more healthy. When we use our specifically these kinds of instruments outside, you will improve lot of flexibility on your shoulder. I hope you can hear my voice or clear also. So here 3 techniques I teach you. So how to perform basic to medium to we can say advanced level also, but it's depend on your practice also. Make sure your shoulder should don't have any injury or any operation. This is basic or simple techniques I am trying to teach you. I will try to as maximum informations, as maximum practice I will explain you. You see, you can use these kinds of instrument or you can use in rod these types, so you can hang yourself. Make sure this is properly grip. The important thing is how nicely you can keep the grip. Sometime we keep but grip is not comfortable. If your grip is not comfortable, you cannot able to hold longer. If longer you cannot able to hold, you cannot improve the flexibility. That's why I'm telling, so try to be comfortable grip. First variation, first technique is interlock your finger or catch this position. Make sure you have enough space. Do not jump or catch. Then you slowly drop your body down. Collapse your shoulder here or loose. Hang your neck back. Make sure do not tighten, do not contraction, just loose. Very free. 10 seconds to 30 seconds to 1 minute. It's depend on your grip or your strength also. So this is the first technique. This is first for basic. Those who want to use this technique. See, sometimes our elbow cannot able to straight. Sometimes only this much. So how become straight? You see this position, or how become flexible also behind this position. So that's why this is the technique to improve the flexibility. Second variation, this position catch, this position here. You see, catch this position or drop your body down here. Free. If possible, more height is better, though, so you no need to bend your knee. Make sure your neck is hanging back. Until you comfortable, you can catch. Until your grip allow you to catch. Second, those who grip is not good but holding is nice, they can hold a bit longer, so you can use these kinds of strap. How you use this kinds of strap? First you see proper, you keep inside this position, okay, just normal tie. When you normal tie, then you keep this or catch. I will show you this side also. Here you see, you catch here, you tie just proper normal here, then whatever the left here, you catch this way here. You catch here because this help you to grip here. This one also, just you catch inside here. So this will be like hanging you, or you will not like fall down also, because this give you to support. You see, second variation I teach, third variation I teach you. Strap. Here I lock myself to hang here. If I lock myself hang here, I can long hold. See, this one also can. So here this is for those who have weak wrist or weak grip. They use this kinds of strap. Here this position catch or hang also can. So your wrist is this position. This is for third variation. Without strap also I show you. Now I'll show you this side. You see, without strap, catch this position here. Make sure if you more body weight hanging down, you will feel more or deep stretch. You see here, just drop, free, look back. Fourth or advanced technique, those who want to more deeper flexibility increase on your shoulder, I will show you the side view. Remember beginners, this much also enough. Third variation I told you, this one here. Make sure do not close your hand, it should be open. Open how much? Shoulder level, not too much, not too less. So it should be this level only. Okay, now is last or fourth variation that give you more deeper stretching or as well as rotating your shoulders. You see, you can catch this position, you can catch this position. I will show you this position. Okay, when you catch this position here, you hang. When you hanging here, lift your leg, shoulders up. This is we called pull-ups. As many as. When you feel you more comfortable, lift your legs up or roll under this position. This is more deeper shoulder rotation. Remember, this is bit challenge. If you regularly perform shoulder practice, one day you can do this also. Now we're going back. You see here. This is bit more challenge or more deeper. Very beneficial technique for shoulders, especially frozen shoulders, especially elbow not straighten full. Some people elbow only this much open because of the stiffness, because of the shoulder. How it will become straight? Position here. Both elbow, both hands should be open properly. So when this flexibility is on your shoulder, you can go this positions also. You see back here, here, or this position also. So this one bit challenge or advanced techniques. You see, now I show you for this technique hold. Also very beneficial. Make sure you have enough strength on your core also. You see. You have to full confident. You should not fall. See here, I almost touch, my feet is down. Now I have to go back also. You see, I'm using my shoulder as well as my core strength also. This is bit challenge. Hope you understand. You can try. It's very beneficial for improving your hand standing also, because hand standing need to be shoulder more flexible or more strengthable. I hope you understand this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any information related to shoulder flexibility, remember, I again repeat, this is for outdoor yoga practice for shoulder flexibility. We can say outdoor exercise practice also. These techniques, some things we cannot do without hanging. We can do some things related to yoga similar, but this is specific, consider as a hanging yourself any place. Okay, you can hang on rod also, any rod or something like this, also very beneficial. This is specific designated things here available. That's why I explain you. Thank you so much again watching this video. Again I repeat, if you have